Welcome to our quick comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker. In this video, we will explore their features, focusing on the type of ice they produce, their production speeds, and their prices. Whether you're hosting a party or just need ice for your drinks, we will help you decide which ice maker is the best fit for you. The ecozy Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for cocktails and refreshing drinks. In contrast, the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker produces standard bullet ice, which is less desirable for some users, but is great for quick chilling. The choice of ice type can significantly impact your drinking experience, especially if you prefer the chewable texture of nugget ice. When it comes to production speed, the Antarctic Star takes the lead, producing its first batch of ice in just 6 minutes. Meanwhile, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker takes approximately 20 minutes to produce a batch of nugget ice. If you need ice quickly, the Antarctic Star is the better choice, while the ecozy model is ideal for those who prioritize ice quality over speed. Price is another significant factor to consider. The ecozy Nugget Ice Maker comes with a higher price tag of $199, reflecting its premium features and ice quality. On the other hand, the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker is budget-friendly at just $69, making it an attractive option for those looking for a cost-effective solution. Depending on your budget and ice needs, this could be a deciding factor in your purchase. In conclusion, both the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize chewable ice and higher production capacity, the ecozy model is worth the investment. However, if you need ice quickly and on a budget, the Antarctic Star is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.